Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today me and my groupmate are going to present about our data center, which is Innodata data center for subject IMS605 data center operational and services. So next. So firstly, let me introduce to our team members, which is myself, Amir Ibrahim bin Rizal Ibrahim. So we have Izzah Natasha binti Muhammad Shahabuddin, and also Lisa Fia binti Muhammad Shukri. So next. So about us, about Innodata. The Innodata Center is a state-of-the-art data center facility which a focus on driving innovation and advancements in data technologies. It specializes in providing cutting-edge data solutions to organizations, and the center offers a wide range of services including cloud services, data storage, backup and media services catering to different organizational needs. So one of its top priority is data security and compliance, ensuring that businesses can be safeguard their sensitive information and meet the regular requirement. Moreover, the Innodata Center emphasizes high performance computing and data visualizations, empowering business to fully harness their potential of data for better decision making and improve business outcomes. So next, also this is our logo. So you can see we have 5 elements in here, which is data-centric design, innovation and advancements, tech-inspired color palette, abstract data visualization, and also lastly, name integration. So next. So this is company vision and missions. So our company vision is to be at the forefront of technology innovations. Second one is to be the catalyst for transformative growth, and lastly to be global leader in data-driven innovations. So for missions, Innodata Center mission is to provide cutting-edge data service and solutions that enable businesses to thrive in the digital age. So next. So this is our location for Innodata Center locations, which is crucial to place data center in a strategic locations, as it ensures in improving data transfer speed, offer favorable power, and also contributing to energy efficiency and scalability. So provide better physical security and access to skilled personnel, which can ensuring the data center smooth and secure operations. Therefore, Innodata Center are in Taman Perindustrian Batu Kawan in Penang. So Taman Perindustrian Batu Kawan is located in Penang. So its chosen address for Innodata Center that situated on the mainland of Peninsular Malaysia. So Batu Kawan is a rapidly growing industrial technology hub known for the industrial parks and businesses. So the location offers a strategic advantage such as excellent connectivity, robust technology infrastructure, and also skilled workforce, government support, and also growth potential. This factor makes it an ideal and attractive choice for establishing a reliable and thriving data center present in Malaysia. So next. So we have infrastructure tiers. We have 3 infrastructure tiers. So the first one is tier 1. Tier 1 is the most basic level of data center provide essential infrastructure service to and support non-critical business needs. So the features is for power. Tier 1 data center offer a basic power supply with limited redundancy. There might be a single power source without backup generators, which makes them susceptible to power interruptions. So for cooling, basic cooling systems are provided to maintain suitable temperatures for the equipment, but they may not redundant and sophisticated. So for security, fundamental security measures are implemented to protect the data center from unauthorized access, but they may have lack advanced to security features. So ideal for tier 1 is data center are suitable for small businesses or startup with a limited IT infrastructure requirement and a smaller budget. They work well with non-critical application and services. So for tier 2, data center offer a high level of availability and stability compared to tier 1. So they provide redundancy for critical infrastructure component and reduce downtime risk. So the features for tier 2 is data center have redundant power sources, ensuring continue operation in case of primary power failures. They might have backup generator to maintain power during outage. So for cooling, cooling system are improved with redundancy and more advanced cooling technologies better than tier 1. So for security, enhanced security measures are implemented, including better access control and monitoring system. So the ideal for tier 2 is medium-sized businesses and organizations that require more reliability and uptime for their critical application and data. So tier 2 data center are suitable for businesses that need some level of redundancy, that have more constrained budget than enterprises. So lastly, for tier 3, so tier 3 is data center that offer the highest level of performance, availability and data protections. They are designed to minimize downtime and ensure continuous access to vital IT resources. So tier 3 is data center that have fully redundant power system, including independent power distribution path and backup generator. So for Innodata, we use tier 3 in infrastructure tier. So the power in tier 3 data center have fully redundant power system, including multiple independent power distribution paths and backup generators, also to maintain operation during extended power outage. So for cooling, cooling system are highly redundant and efficient, allow concurrent maintainability without disruption operations. So lastly, for security, tier 3 data center have robust security to measure, including advanced access control, surveillance, and also other security protocols. So the ideal of the tier 3 largest enterprises and organizations with mission critical applications, high uptime requirement and sensitive data. So for tier 3 data center are suitable for businesses that cannot be tolerated for any significant downtime and maximum performance of data protections. So next. So this is our data design. We will explain about what we have in our data center. Sorry. Alright. So the first one we have lobby area. So this is the support room of lobby area. The function of lobby area in the Innodata center is to maintain to be the main access point in the data center. So the lobby area facilitate visitor registration and check-in procedures, ensuring that anyone entering the facility accounted and monitored. The lobby area also provided a visitors registration and check-in procedures to ensure that anyone that come to the data center are safe and secure. Other than that, this lobby area will be an area to ensuring all operation and anyone for business purpose will have a smooth access. So next. So for office area, the function of office area is to handle administrative and management of Innodata center. This area are for the employees to perform their roles and managing day-to-day operations. So next. So the meeting area is to provide space and facility for any types of discussions, meetings, and making of collaborations with clients, stakeholders, or vendor that support the data center businesses. This area designed for effective communications, problem solving, and ease of decision making. So next. So this is the main room, which is the server room. Server room is an area space that most crucial component in the data center. These server rooms are designed in the data center to provide facility or space to the organization with IT structure such as computer equipment and any kinds of server and any other of networking devices that kept placed properly to be operated. Furthermore, this server room will provide the power and connectivity within the IT infrastructure for the server to operate. So next. So this is the uninterruptible power supply and battery room. So the function of UPS and battery room is important in Innodata because it was designed to make sure it could back in power to the server room if there is any event that could have the power failure. So with power unexpectedly lost, this UPS and battery room could be benefit to the data center from losing any kind of data corruption or loss because of the power. So okay, next. So this is a backup and media storage room. So the function of backup and media storage room is in Innodata is to serve the data center with organized space that could store all the important backup data, media, and other IT devices that are primary to the data center. So next. So this is a generator room. So the function of generator room is to be a crucial component is data center next to UPS and battery room. So the main function of this generator is to provide IT infrastructure of continue power supply and business continuity to support and to ensure all data is still able to operate in data center. So next. So this is network room. So in the data center, there will be a network room that are functional as a provide to proper space to keep network equipments to be able to support a data center, network operation and connectivity with the server and data. This room will be keeping and storing networking devices such as routers, firewall and other equipments. Ensure high performance by the data center equipment operations. So next. So this is network operation center (NOC) room. So the function of NOC room is to serve place to centralize monitoring process of Innodata center IT infrastructure and equipment. So this room will provide a place for employees to perform their roles and actively monitor, manage and maintain all components that related to the data operation performance and security. Next. So this is security room. So the function of security room in this Innodata center is to provide a space for monitoring and manage of the data center physical security. This room is designed to ensure effective safety and protection of Innodata center data asset, IT infrastructure for any harm and authorized access and any kinds of threat. So this room will be equipped with video surveillance systems, security policies and procedure for the security staff to monitor all areas in the room. So next. So this is heating, ventilations and also air conditioning room, HVAC rooms. So the function of HVAC room is in this data center is designed to maintain effective and good environmental condition for all facilities in the data center. This room will be served to be able to control the humidity, air quality in the data center and also temperature to prevent all the important equipment from overheating and could lead to more problems such as IT equipment failures, data loss and performance failures. So next, this is our second last room. So staging area. So what is the function of staging area? It is designed to give the employees to test and preparing any related IT infrastructures. So this area is dedicated for them to operate the process of ensuring all IT equipments to be ready before install. So in the production stage, this process will help them to investigate and identify if there are any issues with the system or equipment stage early. So lastly, our loading docks. So the function of loading docks in Innodata center is to be the center where all the process involving shipping or receiving all equipment supplies. So this area is designed to make sure that the process will be efficient and smooth. And this area also where the Innodata center vehicle they are responsible to ship and unload equipments that material to park near with data center. So with the loading dock area will enhance and ensure the operations are maintained and managed the productive to the facility. So that's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter, Lisa Fia.
Okay, thank you, Ibrahim. So for the data center installation infrastructure, firstly, in the data center, raised floor design ensures seamless cable management, streamlined operation, and equal power supply. The cooling system benefit from efficient cold air distributions, preventing hotspot and optimizing server cooling. Cable trays beneath will maintain a tidy environment, making it more practical and efficient solution for our data center, which is Innodata center. So next is Plenum. The plenum will play a crucial role in cooling efficiency and safety. It allows for proper airflow, ensuring our data centers stay cool and operational. Additionally, it facilitates efficient cable management and handles power distribution effectively. This organized approach streamlines our operations. To optimize airflow, we use perforate steel floor ties, which is providing an impressive 22% to 35% free flow of air throughout our data center. So the plenum is constructed with a fire-resistant materials, which is it will be minimizing risk and ensuring secure environment. So next is our data center will elevate a platform with a remover tiles, ensure efficient cable management, allowing easy access during maintenance and upgrades. The flexibility and scalability of this approach accommodate any data center modifications needed. Cooling infrastructure benefit from direct cool air distribution to server racks. RAMs also will facilitate for staff to moving heavy equipment, and other than that, the raised floor specification is 2 feet high and 12,000 kg capacity. So next for the data infrastructure installations, will be the ceiling. Our 3-meter high ceiling grid is deliberate choice. It will enabling easy access to the space above for the cables and lighting. This accessibility ensure efficient upgrades and maintenance by our staff. And moreover, the grid will promote organized cable management and will enhancing overall efficiency and safety in Innodata Center. So next is for the power consumptions. It's a significant concern in data center. Our IT equipment require a substantial amount of electricity for data processing and storage. PDU may contribute to overall power consumptions with efficient losses. As a medium-sized data center, we consume between 1 megawatt to 5 megawatt of power. And Tenaga Nasional Berhad is our main power source. They will providing the power for 24/7 to ensure uninterrupted operation. We also have strategically placed a UPS rooms, battery rooms, and generator rooms to ensure continuous power availability and preventing data operation failures in our data center. So for the type of servers, we choose a Dell PowerEdge FC830 and Dell PowerEdge R550 as our preferred server in our data center. So Dell has trusted a vendor, and their servers offer exceptional performance, reliability, and scalability. The Dell PowerEdge FC830 stand out for visibility and high density computing capabilities, and it ideal for demanding workloads and virtualizations, allowing us to efficiently handle complex tasks with ease. On the other hand, the Dell PowerEdge R550 is a perfect balance of performance and cost effectiveness. It offers powerful processing power and storage capacity, making it more reliable choice for the wide range of applications. With Dell as one of our trusted vendor, we are confident with the quality and performance of these servers and allowing us to deliver top-notch services to our clients. Next is physical and environmental security. We implemented a comprehensive set of physical and environmental security to measure of the safeguard of our IT infrastructure, data asset, and operation in a data center. Our data center is equipped with video surveillance, covering every corner and every support rooms that we have. Additionally, our security guards are on duty 24/7, identifying and responding to any potential threats or unauthorized access. To further enhance security, biometric system will require a staff fingerprint to access to all the high security areas like server room and backup storage. Fire detections and automatic suppression system will also provide an additional layer of safety, which is they will it will immediately alerting our staff to any potential threats in a data center. So next, I will be passed to the next my team member, which is Nurisa Natasha.
Thank you, Safia. For the next slide, which is list of vendor. These are three lists of vendor that offer product or service within a specific industry or market. This vendor can provide a wide range of goods and services to Innodata Center, catering to different needs and requirements of our organization. And first one is Dell Technologies. Dell is a leading technology corporation offering hardware and software solution. They provide PowerEdge server and storage solution like Dell EMC Unity and PowerMax for a strong and scalable center infrastructure. Dell networking products ensure a reliable and efficient network within the data center. And second one is the IBM Corporation. IBM offers cloud computing services like IBM Cloud, providing scalable resources for application and data hosting. The analytic technologies optimize data center operation, predict equipment breakdowns, and manage every energy consumption. And IBM's consulting and IT services aid in building and maintaining in data centers data assets. And third one is Cisco System. Cisco System provide networking solutions like switches and routers for a high-performance network backbone within the data center, and their security solution protect the Innodata Center from cyber threats. Cisco Data Center Unified Computing UCS simplifies server and virtualization management and ensuring efficient operation. And next slide is labeling and signage. A well-organized and efficient data center such as Data Center, it is important to implement labeling and signage that play important role for an efficient operation of data center. A labeling and signage would be able to is the staff works in locate and identify all the cable, documentation, equipment in managing and maintaining the facility operation. And these are the following labeling and signage that are installed. For the labeling, there are cable runs label, electric conduit label, server and networking devices label, cabinets location label, server row label, and piping label. And for the signage, there are authorized personnel only signage, CCTV signage, handling procedure, no smoking, no eating, fire exit, electric shock hazard signage, emergency contact signage, and emergency power off instruction signage, and fire suppression system instruction, and lastly fire alarm instruction. And for the next slide is job position in Innodata Center. There are several job positions that play an important role to evaluate well maintaining, managing, and efficient data center. Therefore, all employees in Innodata Center must have skill and able to manage it very well. These are the following of job position in the Innodata Center. First one is data center technician. Data center technician responsible for the day-to-day operation, maintenance, and troubleshooting of data center infrastructure, and handle tasks such as route installation, cable management, hardware repairs, and equipment monitoring. And second one is network engineer, which is network engineer design, implement, and manage data center networks to ensure reliable and efficient connectivity between server, storage, and other devices. And for the system administrator manages the data center server and operating system, handling tasks like software installation, update, and user management. And for the database administrator oversee the organization, maintenance, and security of databases within the data center and ensuring data integrity and availability. And next is IT support specialist. IT support specialist provide technical assistance and troubleshooting for data center user and client, resolving hardware, software, and connectivity issues. And next is HVAC technician. HVAC technician are responsible for maintaining and troubleshooting the data center heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system to ensure optimal cooling and airflow. And next is a data center manager. Data center manager are responsible for the overall operation and performance of the data center. And they also oversee staff, budget, and strategic planning to meet the organization data center objective. And next is facilities manager. Facilities manager oversee the physical infrastructure of the data center, ensuring proper cooling, power distribution, and environmental control. And lastly is electrical engineer. Electrical engineer design and manage the electrical system, including power distribution and UPS system to ensure reliable and continuous power supply. And next slide is other technologies in the Innodata Center. And first one is integration of cutting-edge technology. Innodata Center plans to introduce modern biometrics access control system, video surveillance technology, firewalls, encryption protocol, and intrusion detection system to bolster security measure and protect data integrity against cyber threats. And second one is data center infrastructure management, which is DCIM system. By adopting a powerful DCIM system, Innodata Center aims to achieve real-time monitoring and comprehensive documentation of resources, enabling efficient resources allocation and streamlined record keeping. And third one is Electronic Document Management System, EDMS. Innodata Center will use EDMS to capture, organize, and manage data and document, facilitating easy retrieval and improve data management. And lastly is advanced backup and disaster recovery technologies. Innodata Center intends to implement backup and disaster recovery solution to ensure business continuity and data resilience in the face of unexpected disaster. And last for our presentation, Innodata Center, for the conclusion, Innodata Center successful implementation has set a new standard of excellence in the sector, offering unmatched data resilience and business continuity to clients, and solidifying our position as a reliable partner providing top-tier data management solution with an unwavering commitment to staying at the forefront of data center excellence. We continue to evolve and adapt to meet the dynamic needs of our value customer in the rapidly changed technological landscape. And that's all from our group, Innodata Center. Thank you.